Martin from Sept, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to another Friday market wrap. We look at what happened today during the day, right? So this is for September 2nd today, 2022. So let's first get into the charts and see what exactly happened. It's better, right? Where are we? Let's see that first. This is the weekly view, right? We're still inside that famous trend line channel. Not the channel, it's famous trend line on the top, right? Which we were hoping that Nifty would break out. And it has already done that. We're still close inside that. Let's get into the daily charts again and then see it. Right? This is a small body candle. This clearly shows that there is consolidation. It's a candle with a small body inside the previous to previous candle. Right? Day for a status candle. It's well inside that itself indicates it's clearly inside. That's Banknifty. No, that was Nifty. Banknifty also, it's well inside the previous days. Big bullish candle. And it's indecisive doji also. Very small body. Both of them has got the support of the 20 DMA. Right, 20-day moving average. That's all about it, right? Weekly, what has it done? Basically, it has closed flat. We have already seen that. Weekly, it has closed simply flat, where previous close was there. It just closed same place on the Nifty. But Nifty, Bank Nifty, it is clearly an engulfing bullish. That's what it is, right? That's what has happened, right? So today flat day, 0.02 Nifty, 3 points lost. That's all. Bank Nifty, 0.30% gained. Indecisive doji and both small body candles. And intraday was very volatile like yesterday. Very volatile, multiple V-shaped moves. It gapped up and then fell 0.5%, then recovered 1%, then again fell and then again rose. So it is very volatile. Both indices have the tendency to put weekly. We have seen what it is, right? So in the short term, we are consolidating also what price patterns is, right? Support resistance is 17,778 on the upside and 17,992 after that, right? So looking forward for 17,800 nearby levels and then 18,000 to be cleared for a further up move. 39,760 and 40,000. 160 is the resistance on the Bank Nifty. Similarly, supports down there is gap support for both Nifty and the Bank Nifty. 17,380 and then 17,161. That's the previous low. Gap set again from Bank Nifty 38,400 and then 37,950. Right. So Bollinger Bands clearly showing consolidation. Let's see what does it. What do I mean? Right. It's Bank Nifty. That's consolidation only. See. So we should expect the price to move till the 18,000 on the upside and similarly on the downside till 17,200. That's a standard deviation. So as long as it makes whatever drama like it had done previous week, it should be okay because it's just consolidating. Whenever you see an expansion on the upside or an expansion on the downside, that means consolidation is probably going to get over. Look at this here. It is not really full consolidation. It's a expansion also that is happening on the Bank Nifty, which indicates that there is a potential for the Bank Nifty to further move up. But fundamentally, it's not straight. It's turning flat. At the same time, there is an upside bias also. So that's what Bollinger Bands are telling us, and momentum is maintaining the bullishness on the Bank Nifty, but Nifty has just slipped to the sideways and remains there from yesterday. Trend also, it's like maintaining the bullishness on the short term. We're talking about daily charts, but it's weak strength, flat, falling trend strength, right? Weeks has been cooling off and then spiking up 6% like that. Today it was nothing much. It was more or less flat. It's 1.5% of cool off has happened. 19.55, very close to 20. You have to be cautious. Futures OI is conflicting. Short build-up happened in Nifty and long build-up happened in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is clearly bullishness as indicated by the Bollinger Bands. Levels, look at this. We have an expiry. Today's a week end. Wide range of 17,000 to 18,000, just like previous week. A very wide range. 38,000, 39,000, very wide range. 1,500 points in Banknifty. It's for the September 8 weekly expiry. In 81 and 91, put call ratio is close to bullishness. You not say it's bearish, but not bullish enough, I would say. All sectors are flat. It was a complete flat day. Consolidation sideways mode is ordered. So all sectors are underperformed. But short-term bullishness, if you see from the momentum perspective, it's metal, auto, FMCG, reality. So the sectors, major sectors which are doing good. HDFC Bank is the only one that performed. All others fell. Clients fell 1%. Others fell 0.5% nearby range. ICICI is the only stock that has got momentum bullishness that is clearly visible on the short term. Nifty is in the bear zones after the US market has fallen. 5-day data is not available. Let's quickly check whether what Fyers are doing. The Fyers had turned sellers yesterday. The two biggest quantity in the recent times, but some compensated buying happened from the DI. So it will be interesting to know on a flat day today. Fyers might not have sold much. Both of them might have not done anything, anticipating the jobs claim data from the US that has to come. I think much have happened, but the data has not up for the FI data has not come. So that's crude oil is rising. Right? It has fallen down from a support zone and gone still maintained the below 90 levels. As long as it does not climb back to the 90, it's very close. 88.6. Dollar is rising, worrisome. Rupees cooled off a little bit because of the main intervention, 79.5, but dollar is 220-year high levels, 109.45 kind of levels. Worrisome. So crude and oil, crude is rising actually today. Dollar also spiking, but it is after a big fall that crude is rising. So dollar is not good. Gold is actually crashed back to the support zones. SGX is kind of green. USD is also green is seen, but you'll have to see all of this after today. Today's trading on next day only, then you'll get some idea. So look at how the markets performed today night on the US and then today. Major thing is that Monday is a holiday for the US, so it's likely that our markets may not be doing much, or maybe looking for local cues than the global ones. Your job data outcome reaction will come on our market, will come in our market in the Monday. So these are the two major events that you look out for. Watch the US markets and the US jobs data, how it performed. So that's and pre-market, if you watch the indices and SGs, you'll get a clue how it is going to open for that. But overall, it's sideways movement that is happening clearly on Nifty. It is not indicating where it is going to move. So it has been very volatile up and down for the last entire full weeks, all days. And Banknifty is showing consolidation with a bullish bias. Right? Banknifty is made a long build up as compared to a short build up in the Nifty in the futures OI. So all that indicates that there is some consolidation, but it all depends on how the banks are going to react ahead. Right? So that's a wrap up of September 5th. This is not right. This is not for Monday, and this is mistake. This is for today, 2nd. It's a Friday market day. So that's why there was a quick wrap up, and I hope this helped you to understand, in brief, after all the volatile, V-shaped moves, and just to wrap up on what is market actually doing, right? So if that helps you to get that. Then consider the like button, subscribe if you're not done, put in your comments and feedback, and share it to maximum by very few subscriptions. And look out for the Sunday video that's coming on the weekly view, where we'll have a detailed analysis for half an hour, and then we'll have a market view for the next week as well. So check out, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get the notifications for the weekly market which comes in on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye.